Many states in the country are experiencing scorching heat. People are taking various measures to escape the heat. Meanwhile, the central government has issued an advisory to the people regarding food and drinks. The government asked people to avoid drinking tea and coffee during a heat wave in summers. Also, stay away from drinking alcohol and avoid drinking carbonated soft drinks. But why did government ask people to avoid tea or coffee? Well, we reached out to a nutritionist to get the answers. This is what she said.
During summer months, the excessive consumption of tea, coffee or carbonated beverages should be avoided. Tea, coffee and some of these carbonated beverages, they have caffeine in them that has a diuretic effect on the body that can lead to dehydration if taken excessively. Moreover, these carbonated beverages, your soda, sugary drinks, they are loaded with sugar and calories that can further lead to dehydration, and it can also result in insulin resistance and dental problems. So one should avoid excessive consumption of any of these during summer months.
But there are many people who start their day with tea or coffee. So how much coffee or tea or cold drinks can those people drink?
For individuals who cannot afford to leave tea or coffee, from their schedule, it is important to note that they should start their morning, especially in the summers, with a glass of water, and try to keep your tea or coffee intake up to 2 to 3 cups in the entire day. Also, for every 1 cup of tea or coffee which you drink during the day, please have 1 glass of water apart from your regular water intake. So that is very important during the summer months.
But if you still can't resist, then you can modify your drinks, and this is how.
For those who are looking forward to modify their regular tea and coffee and to make it more healthier for the summer months, what you can do is you can go in for tulsi leaves in your tea or coffee. One can also add lemongrass in the tea. You can go in for the iced tea or iced coffee, and that would definitely give you more relief during the summer months. This way you can always make your tea or coffee a little healthier.
Moreover, not only aerated drinks, government has also asked people to avoid alcohol. Here's why.
Alcohol consumption during the summer months can actually dehydrate the body because it has a diuretic effect on the body. Alcohol also hampers the body's capability to regulate temperature, so it can lead to heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Moreover, alcohol also creates electrolyte imbalance in the body, so one should avoid excessive consumption of alcohol, especially during the summer months.
Well, we hope all your questions are answered. So are you planning to regulate your intake or modify your drinks? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.